Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to import Excel CRM, any Excel sheet into your CRM. And for this demo, I'm going to be using Pipedrive. Now, Pipedrive makes it easy to import and export your CRM data. Simple data import and export for a sales pipeline. As they have said, it's very easy, and they also have this feature built in. It's free, easy to set up, and you don't need any credit card. Alright, so they made it easy to import and export all sales data and contact information, and most of their feature is compatible with almost every other CRM tool. Also, it's very handy when it comes to scaling your small business and sales team with a reliable data repository. Now, here's how you can get started. Now, to import your data from a simple spreadsheet, you can, like for example, Salesforce, Zoho, Freshworks, Close, and other CRM solutions in a minute. Once imported, you can use their handy formatting and data entry features like drag and drop to match data fields from one database to another, and you can also handle duplications easily. Also, they allow to merge data and create several records if there are any duplicates. You can also get detailed import history on items that weren't transferred correctly with skip file. And lastly, you can easily identify errors and upload your entire database. And these are the platforms you can easily migrate from. As you can see, they have a huge sub list of platforms. Now, you can import or export your data whenever you need to. You can download your customer data anytime or use their API to download all of it. How do you import in Pipedrive? Now, this is the steps you've been waiting for. And as you can see, users can easily import data from other spreadsheet CRMs into Pipedrive. To upload from a spreadsheet, go to the three dot settings like this one and click import data and from a spreadsheet. Now click upload file from your device and select the file you want to import. Now if you want to import from another CRM via import to, go to the more settings and choose from another software. Before you select it from a spreadsheet, now to choose from another software and follow the on-screen instructions, and this will allow you to import from another CRM. Now let me show you how to export. You can export data from pipe to CRMs in three ways. Like you can export an individual deal is you can exporting an individual deal is done through the deals detail view by clicking on the more export as XLS. This is the Excel file. You can also export custom reports via the list view by using filters and then clicking the three dot and selecting export filter results. Like similarly how we can, those filters and columns and tabs you can export by selecting each filters. Now if you want to export all data, then the global admin must click the three dot and then select the export data. You can export data as either CSV or Excel file. Now you might be wondering, can you use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel as a CRM system? Sure you can. You can use both as a starting point for CRM. A simple customer relationship management spreadsheet can be enough to track sales, process, and manage contacts. For most personal freelancers and other personal, this is enough. You can add your contact list details for new leads and loyal customers, the sales rep, project manager, or team member handling each account, your sales people's follow up, your lead status from prospect to customer, and more. As you scale, you may want sales CRM software that gives you more power. For now, you can use Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel for now. And that's all there is to it. And if you have any more questions, check out this link and this FAQs. It will answer hopefully all your questions. And if not, you can contact their support and tell them what you want to know, and they'll get back to you. And from my experience, Pipedrive has a really great customer support. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.